So here's our 4 undefeated proofs that the Earth is flat. First, ships can always see lighthouses, no matter how far they are. If the Earth were a sphere, this wouldn't be possible. The lighthouses should be under the curvature of the Earth and should not be visible, not even with binoculars. Second, the temperature difference between Antarctica and the equator is huge, although the distance between them relative to the Sun in the round Earth theory is minimal. The flat Earth theory shows this clearly, because the Sun rotates above the equator and it is hot there, and further from Antarctica and therefore cold there. Third, if the Earth were a sphere, airplanes would have to constantly adjust their angle, but they don't. This means that they would eventually fly into space. But this doesn't happen, which again shows that the Earth is flat. If the Earth was round, that means that if you're flying in a plane above it, you would have to tip the nose down every few seconds to stay with the curvature of the Earth, because I believe, what do they say? It's 360,000 degrees of circumference, something like that. So here's the thing, is every pilot I've ever talked to, they never tell me ever once they ever dip the nose down. They just literally fly straight across, right? And so if the Earth were round, and you were to fly literally straight across without pointing the nose down to stay with the curvature, then you would just fly into outer space and land somewhere else.